Hello friends, this is a video update about the Toyota 4Runner 5th generation automatic tailgate opener. People ask me to do an update, so here we go. After 8 months I have the kit. We did a couple changes and updates and now it's working perfect. And the good news about it is ready to sell. So you guys want to have more information about it, please write in the comments in this video and I will return to you with price and details. So I'm going to show you guys how is this working now. So what I have here is the original key. We push 3 times the unlock button. 1, 2, 3. It opens. To close again. 1, 2, 3. We close. Another way to open is with the original button in the gate. Just push it once and it works perfect. And to close is with this button, what is coming with the kit. There is another way to open it from inside the cabin. There's another button that is coming with the kit too. And again to close. And it closes. Okay, so you guys want to have more information about the kit, please write a comment under this video and I will return to you guys with all the info, details, price. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.